you teach it? You teach them or about something like this? And they get a certificate or something?
Yeah, they when they finish it,
When they like test or?
yeah, we take a test, and after the test, whatever percentage comes.
이거 한번 할게요 먼저.
Still picture.
스톤 피?
Still picture.
스톤 섹션. 오케이.